University.
Champion, CPU.
Again, we would like to remind everyone that the battle for bronze match between the Sun Yat-sen High School and Central Philippine University secondary boys will be at exactly 12 noon. Followed by the championship match between Washoe College of Iloilo and the University of San Agustin.